So her other components. First components that we're going to use is the Arduino Uno, and then the breadboard, arrange it, and then the resistor. Resistor should be the value of 100 ohms. Then the LED, change the color into red, yellow, green. Let's just make it red. So first we're going to put the resistor. So we need here a 12 resistor. Copy and paste it to make it easy. So next is we're going to put the LED. So the positive of the LED would be aligned to the resistor. So we are going to use also a 12 LED in here. So next we are going to connect each of the resistor. Change the color into blue. So next we're going to connect the ground into the Arduino. And then the lead one would be connected to the D12 of the Arduino. The lead 2 would be connected to the D11. Change the color into red. So the D3 would be connected to the D10, the lead 3, and the lead 4 would be connected to the lead D9. The lead 5 would be connected to the D8 of the Arduino. The lead 6 would be connected to the D7. The lead 7 would be connected to the D6. And the lead 8 would be connected to D5. The D9, lead 9 will be connected to D4. The lead 10 will be connected to D3. The lead 11 would be connected to the D2. And the last would be connected to the D1. So that's it. We're almost done. So next we're going. So let's proceed to the code. So I already have the codes and I only copy and paste it. And we have here the 4 outputs for this. So let's start the simulation. So the first output would be from lead 12 to lead 1 would be the light up. And then the second output from lead 1 to 12 will be light up. So the third output would be the 1 and 12 would be the first to light up. Continue the 2, 11, the 3, 10, the 4 and 9, the 5 and 8, and the last is the 6 and 7 will be going to light up. And the last output would be from 1 to 12, they are going to light up together. And that's it, we are already done. Thank you.